gorgeous, welcome back to my channel. My name is Titi, and in today's video it's about TEMU, I don't know, for me it's TEMU. So it's gonna be about everything I brought at TEMU for my new house. So I bought something like from bathroom, for my living room, like, so let's see what I have here. And then this one as well. So let's start from this one here. I already know what is this one. Oh yes. Yay. I don't know if you can see properly the color, but the color is cute. Going for this one, to be honest, I don't really know what is inside because I'm waiting like 4 orders, so I don't know which one is which one. I mean, that one is one, and this is another one, and still got another one which is like surprise, and then this one. It's a cover for sofa. Again. Anywho, okay. And then it's come with this. I have no idea what it is. Or probably it's two. Like this. Oh wow. Let's set up. Open this. What the heck? Not bad, but my sofa is like this. So yeah, I'm very curious to see how this is gonna look. So come with me. was fighting with this sofa, but I think I get like the wrong size for the 3 seats. I mean, I bought the 2 seats and then 3 seats, but I think the 3 seat is very small for my sofa, so it didn't, you know, fit well. So I don't know what I'm gonna do, if I'm gonna change it for another one, or if I'm gonna buy another one like 4 seats. I don't know yet, but for now I will leave it like that. It look better. So yes. Hey gorgeous, TT here. Welcome back to my channel once again. As you see, it's a new day, new clothes, but it's the same video. Let's get started so we don't waste time, because time it's money. Let's go. Let's start for this one. I know what is inside, but let's pretend I don't know. This is from bathroom. It's for bathroom. New one. I'm so disappointed right now. Now, like, what the heck? Anywho, this is. Let's see. Let's take it over. Don't judge. We see and we don't judge. What the heck is this? It's for toilet. So yeah, it's for toilet. Oh guys, come on. It's a flower, because I was something green from my living room, so it's I'm tired guys, I'm tired literally. Let's see, I'm just gonna put it like, seriously guys, like the small one is here. I mean, everything is small here, but anywho. Ooh, it's giving mommy. It's not giving mommy anymore. It's giving girl. Come on. I mean, it's cute. It's enough for my living room, but my living room is not that big. It's just like small, cute. So yeah. It's missing one. Is it here? Yeah. I like it. But of course, I'll do it properly later. But yeah, this is a flower. For the flower. Is it for flower? See? So I'm just picking this. And then my flower is done. Cute. You. Okay. Oh, this is for my pride. And then talking about kitchen, I have this sticker who says like, my kitchen, my rules. So yeah, this. Oh, this is for toilet. Here. Ooh, thank God. What? This doesn't move. Oh, it's more. Okay. See? It's just for the shower thing. Yeah, for toilet. This one. Please don't abort with me. Yeah. Oh case, so cute. Look, with the pictures on it. And now we're gonna do it right now. You see the pictures over there? Yeah. Let's do it right now. This is me and my daddy, my mom, of course, Rihanna's cousin, and me with my sister and my mommy. Yeah, so let's put everything here to see. Ah, God. Cute. And the rest I will finish it later because now we need to continue. Let's continue. What else is here? Oh yeah, this one is for the, you know, to alter the pictures on the wall, so you don't need to do that. No. And then this one is for the toilet, living room, you know, to put your closet on it, and about a lot of them. I'm just gonna leave them here. That's for the last one. This is the paper. The paper one. So about, what is this? Yay! Wait a minute. It's just one. It's just one. Guys, my cousin, she just love like iced coffees, you know, like iced latte, iced matcha, you know. I just bought this for her when she come here, so she can have like the iced coffee here. Yeah, especially for my cousin. What is this? Oh, because in my house your shoes stay out of my door, so I buy this one, so when someone come, you can use them like here inside. Hell no, do not tell me if this is what I'm thinking. Ah! I'm so mad at me. Like, when I saw this, I thought like it's a big table, you know, like the living room table. And guess, parece uma palhaça. Like, guys, be serious. Anyways, this is what it is. You know, I just bought it, so what can I do? Nothing. I mean, I can return it, but it's gonna be like a long process, so I'm just gonna keep it. Hey gorgeous, welcome back. Yes, another day, same video. There is the last deliver from TEMU from my new house. So let's start. This is towels. Yeah, black towels, of course. Yes. It's not too big, it's not too small. It's perfect for me. Okay. the same. I bought two because the space I'm about to put this is big. I start but it's finished, so I had to buy another one just in case. So oh, bathroom. I don't know why, but yeah, just put it there. Why everything is small? Yeah, this one is for the wall. I have some holes in that wall, so that's why I bought this plaster repair. So this is for toilet. Yeah, I'm very disappointed with this video with TEMU. So is this what it is? But at least I have everything I need for my new baby house. If you enjoyed the video, please don't forget to subscribe, like and comment below. Bye. I will see you in another video.